I just bought a box of grass. Oh, this is gonna be so cool. I have always wanted to make one of these. Well, at least since I saw it at that smoothie place last Thursday. But since then, I have always wanted to make one of these. Welcome back to my shop, you guys. Today we're gonna be making a 40 by 40 hello and welcome sign using this cool stuff. Let's get to it. Alright guys, now that I have most of the cutting complete, I can give you a better idea of what this project is going to be going over. This is leftovers from one of my previous projects. You can see a link over there in the corner. And I am using this special MDF textured strip here to make a frame. That frame is going to get put on the edge of the underlayment using this dado stack I have cut. And once that is secure, I will take this really cool synthetic grass material with a grid on the back. I'm going to apply it to the front, and this is going to compose the main body of the frame. That being said, let's get back to work. Alright guys, I got the frame knocked out. I'm just going to go ahead and touch up the sides a little bit with some white paint. Alright, after a lot more work than I expected, we have another completed sign, and honestly, it looks fabulous. I am super excited with how it turned out, and it's actually right across from the last signs I made for the lobby of this church. And it's just really cool to see both of these in the same room with the new light track on the ceiling, getting a nice spotlight right on the center. It means so much that I know there are so many of you out there helping support me while I work on this channel. There are a lot of different ways you guys can help support me too. If you guys want to follow me over on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn for that matter, feel free to. Or, my personal favorite, if you guys want to follow me over on Patreon, that would be awesome. I got a lot of projects I'd like to make with you guys, but all these materials and tools cost money. So any help and support I can get from you guys would be great. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.